Hi, let's learn about John Milton today, which is a famous name in Jacobean literature. So let's study about him. His lifespan is from 1608 to 1674. John Milton was a famous Jacobean poet and he was also a civil servant. He was born on 9 December 1608 and he died on 8 November 1674. He knew many languages like Latin, Greek, English, Italian, and others. He majorly wrote pastoral elegies. So let's learn about famous poems by John Milton. His famous poems are On the Morning of Christ's Nativity, On Shakespeare by John Milton, On Arriving at the Age of 23 by John Milton, L'Allegro. L'Allegro is an Italian word which means happy person. Il Penso Rosso, which is also an Italian title which means sad man. Comus. Comus is a mask. It was a mask which was presented at Ludlow Castle, and this mask was written in honor of Lord President of Wales, and it was written to praise chastity. Thereafter there is Lycidas. Lycidas is a pastoral elegy which was written to describe death of his friend Edward King, who died of drowning. Next are Arcades. Arcades is again a masque. It was written to celebrate birthday of Alice Spencer, who was Earl of Derby. In 1652, he wrote When I Consider How My Light is Spent. It is a sonnet. It is a Petrarchan sonnet. The rhyming scheme of When I Consider My Light is Spent is ABBA, ABBA, CDE, CDE. So there are 14 lines in one stanza. Next is On His Blindness. On His Blindness was written in 1652, and it is said that he became blind at the age of 44, and this is why he wrote On His Blindness during that time. Next is Paradise Lost. Paradise Lost is written in 1667, and there are 12 books total of Paradise Lost, and it is a Christian epic. It is written in blank verse. In 1671 he wrote Paradise Regained. Paradise Regained has 4 books in total, and it is also written in blank verse like Paradise Lost, and the theme is temptation of Jesus. Samson Agonistes is a closet drama written by John Milton. It describes the Greek tragedy of prison. He has written prose works also. Major prose works written by John Milton are The Doctrine and Discipline of Divorce, which was written in 1642, and because he wanted to get divorce from his wife, this is why he had written this prose work, The Doctrine and Discipline of Divorces. Areopagitica is also a prose work which describes the freedom of speech. The Tenures of Kings and Magistrates, which appeared in 1649. So this is all about John Milton. I hope you like the video. Thank you.